Today we'll learn how to install your Willow car seat using the lower anchor connectors. To begin, place the base on the vehicle seat. The base should not hang more than 4.7 inches over the edge. Adjust the recline angle to the appropriate position until the blue marker is completely visible between the two lines on the recline angle indicators. Next, open the ClickTight. Grab the handle, squeeze the button, and lift. When the ClickTight is fully open, the indicator will be entirely green. Now, open the storage compartment lid. Remove and lengthen the connector straps, then close the lid. Tuck the connector strap under the ClickTight and belt guides. Press the lower connectors onto their adjacent lower anchors and listen for the click. Be sure the strap isn't twisted. Then pull gently on the end of the lower connector strap to remove any slack. Move the connector strap to the side of ClickTight locking point. Close the ClickTight by pushing down on the handle. Listen for a click. Check that the indicator is entirely green. Test the tightness. The base should not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. You can now place the carrier into the base. Listen for a click to confirm attachment. The carry handle must be adjusted to a locked position for use in the vehicle. Britax recommends position 1 to help reduce rebound movement in the event of a crash. Pull vertically on handle to confirm that it's locked.